been arrested or charged with a crime in Bridgeview, Illinois, or your case has been assigned to the Bridgeview Courthouse, you probably have a lot of questions about what happens next. My name is Mitch Furman. I'm a criminal defense and DUI lawyer representing clients throughout Chicago and Cook County, including cases at the Bridgeview Courthouse. Whether you're facing a DUI, domestic battery, gun or weapons charge, felony, misdemeanor, or serious traffic offense, understanding the court process and preparing your defense early can make a major difference. The Bridgeview Courthouse is the Fifth Municipal District of Circuit Court of Cook County and is located at 10220 South 76th Avenue in Bridgeview, Illinois. This courthouse handles criminal, DUI, and traffic cases from Bridgeview and many communities throughout the southwest suburbs of Cook County. If you've never been involved in a criminal justice system before, coming to the court can be intimidating. But here is something important to remember. Being arrested is not the same thing as being convicted. The state still has the burden of proving the charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt. Let's start with DUI cases. If you've been arrested for DUI in Bridgeview or the surrounding suburbs, there may be several important issues that need to be investigated. Why did the police stop you in the first place? Did the officer have a valid reason for the traffic stop? What does the body camera or squad car video show? Did you perform field sobriety tests?
All right, keep your head perfectly still and track the tip of the pen with your eyes only. Do you understand?
Did you take or refuse a breathalyzer?
All right, take a deep breath and blow steadily into the tube. Keep going, keep it steady. Okay, that's sufficient, you can relax.
Was blood or urine collected? And does the evidence actually prove that you were under the influence of alcohol? A DUI arrest can also affect your driving privileges. The driver's license consequences in the criminal DUI charge involve different legal issues, so it's important to examine both as early as possible. And don't assume that just because you performed poorly in field sobriety tests or had a breath test result over the legal limit, that your case is automatically over. The evidence still needs to be examined. The DUI is only one type of case that we handle in Bridgeview Courthouse. I also represent people facing criminal charges such as domestic battery, aggravated battery, assault, theft, retail theft, drug charges, gun and weapon offenses, violation of an order of protection, driving on a suspended or revoked license, and many other misdemeanor and felony offenses. The defense strategy depends on the facts of the particular case. For instance, in a domestic battery case, we may need to examine whether statements, 911 calls, and other evidence that was presented support what actually happened. In a gun case, we may be looking closely as to why police stopped or searched you in the first place, where the firearm was found, and whether the evidence can legally be used against you. In other criminal cases, the key issue might be identification, witness credibility, surveillance video, statements allegedly made to the police, or whether the prosecution can prove every element of the offense beyond a reasonable doubt. That's why there isn't one defense strategy that works for every Bridgeview criminal case. You have to start with the evidence first. Another important point, don't wait several dates before you start thinking about your attorney and the defense strategy. Evidence can disappear, surveillance video can be erased, witnesses can become difficult to locate, and there may be motions and other issues that should be investigated early in the case. The Bridgeview Courthouse serves Bridgeview and many surrounding southwest suburbs and communities. So if you've been searching for a Bridgeview criminal defense lawyer, Bridgeview DUI lawyer, Oak Lawn criminal defense attorney, Orland Park DUI lawyer, or a Cook County criminal defense attorney for a case at Bridgeview Courthouse, my office handles cases throughout this area. If you or someone in your family has been arrested for DUI or charged with a criminal offense and the case is going to Bridgeview Courthouse, contact my office. My name is Mitch Furman. I'm a criminal defense and DUI attorney representing clients throughout Chicago, Bridgeview, and the southwest suburbs in Cook County. We will review the circumstances surrounding your arrest, examine the evidence, explain the court process, and determine what defenses may be available. An arrest is the beginning of the case. It doesn't determine how the case has to end.